आई एम किंजल एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट। मैं आज रीड करने वाली हूँ टैरो कार्ड्स फॉर यू गाइस। इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन। ठीक है, तो आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट योर पास्ट, योर प्रेजेंट, योर पर्सनैलिटी एंड ऑल्सो मैं आपको एक फ्यूचर के लिए मैसेज भी दे दूंगी। सो हियर आर द डेक्स, यू कैन चूज एनी वन ऑफ देम। मैं आपको जूम इन इफेक्ट दे दूंगी। यू कैन चूज द डेक दैट आपको लगता है कि हाँ दिस इज अट्रैक्टिंग मी। सो दिस इज 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is the zooming effect. And let's go. Hi group number 1. So here's the reading for you guys. So let's just go. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि क्या क्या okay. So ठीक है. So this is your past. Okay. This is your present. This is your personality, and that is the message for your future. So telling you into details, this is the past message that I can see. You know, आपका past was very ordinary but yet so blooming. ठीक है, I really love your past. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि you know outgrown, you have become celebrity or something, but whatever you have done so good. मतलब you have been kind, you've been caring, you have nurtured yourself, you have loved yourself, and that is something I really love about you. I feel you guys have felt very lonely आपके पास्ट में, but that is something that you have even loved it. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि you have a huge group of friends, but you have loved your own company. That is the best, I think. Okay, coming to your present, you have matured so much. मतलब एकदम शांत हो. You guys love nature. I can see that because in all the forecasts, all I can see is nature. You guys have bloomed. You guys have made your own happy space. So that is the present that I see, and there is nothing you guys need to change. Just change one thing. If you are thinking anything about your past or anything negative, वो you should just cut it down, because that is something that अगर हम negative सोच रहे हो ना तो वो negative ही होगा. So that is something you really need to work on. And coming to your personality is so innocent, so mature. मतलब आप अगर अंदर से you are childish, but you will show that you are such a grown up, and you still love to do all the silly things. मतलब you might just dance in the rain, celebrate your life, doing small little things, but assuming that it is extraordinary, and gaining all the happiness from it. And having a message for your future is that you really need to celebrate your life. मतलब do all the silly things, do everything, but just celebrate. Take happiness into your world, into yourself. Just do small little things and you'll good to go. Okay, so that was the reading. I hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye. Hi group number 2. So this is your reading, and let's just go into it. So this is your past, this is your present. I got 2 cards for your personality. That is amazing. And this is a message for your future. I see you guys are a very strong personality people. Like आपका past भी it was like एकदम calm, एकदम शांति था. You guys are such open minded people. मतलब अगर मैं आप अगर 3 साल के रहते हैं ना, I'll be like बच्चा आपका जिंदगी एकदम झंड होने वाला है. You will be like don't worry, we'll take care of it, and you were calm as F. So that is amazing. You guys are really intuitive. मतलब आपको लगता है ना कि हाँ ये चीज़ होने वाला है, it will happen. So that is amazing, and you should really use it. Coming to your present is such a such uh, uh, strong personality. Even now you have a very strong personality. मतलब आपको थोड़ा गुस्सा आता है. You are, you are trying to calm yourself down every time. But कभी कभी गुस्सा आ जाता है, and that's okay because no one is perfect. You guys are gaining or going to get a lot of success. Trust me. मतलब universe is focused on giving you what you need. So just focus and work for it. Coming to your personality, as I told you, you guys are very strong personality people, and that means you have a lot of experience. You guys are very calm, caring. आपसे अगर किसी ने पंगा ले लिया ना तो बंदा गया. So you are very very strong headed person, and that's amazing. बहुत अच्छी बात है. And a message for your future is that you need a vision in your life. मतलब have a focused goal and you work for it. And once you start doing what you want in your life, you guys are going to get a lot of success. ठीक है? Just one thing कि don't try to change your goals the old ways. You need to get a new vision, a new way to chase it. Okay, so that's it. Please tension mत लो. You are going to do amazing. Okay, so bye group number 2. See you next time. Hey group number 3. So welcome to your reading. So let's just start with your reading. Here is your past. Wow. Here is your present. Here is your personality, and here is a message that I need to give you for your future. So coming to your past, you guys have trusted a lot, and वो भी ऐसे लोगों पे trust किया कि they were not worth it, and you guys have been hurt a lot. Coming to your present, जैसे मैंने बोला, you guys have hurt a lot in the past. तो आपने you have restrained getting any contact with anyone. ठीक है? मतलब you guys stay alone, you guys stay very sad for some reason. सिर्फ एक छोटी चीज़ पे फोकस करते हो, बाकी you are not seeing anything what is going around yourself. And that is something you guys really need to change. Just have and find happiness for you, because loving yourself right now is the most important thing you have to do. And since it is the lockdown right now, and अगर आप देख रहे हो अभी lockdown के time, so you guys can just take care of yourself. मतलब self love is the best love. And coming to your personality, dude, your personality is amazing. It is like a tiger, a very strong personality. You guys, आप अगर ठान लेते हो कि कुछ करना है, आप कुछ भी करके वो करोगे. एक बार आपने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर आप अपनी भी नहीं सुनते हो. And you guys have a lot of experience. एकदम daring हो, एकदम adventurous हो. So just be like that. Why you are guys, restraining yourself from doing all the adventure stuff? Make friends, please, because trusting people is very nice. I know कि कुछ पागल लोग के you cannot do it, but you have to, and that will be beautiful. Okay, and giving you a future message. So future message में I will tell you that you are going to reborn from your sad life, or the life that you are not loving it right now. अब उससे बाहर आके you will enjoy, you will find happiness, you will find success, you will just outgrow every possibility जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा. So just enjoy your life and be happy. Okay, कुछ भी होगा, I'm always here for you guys. You can just hit me up on Instagram. So that's it for group number 3. Hope I see you next time. Hi group number 4. So here is the reading for you guys. So let's get into it. So here is your past. I got 2 cards for your past. So here is another one. This is for your present. this is your personality, and this is one thing, I mean, a message for you for your future. So let's get into your past. Your past is so beautiful. मतलब you guys used to enjoy a lot. ठीक है, एकदम calm. You used to be a team player. You used to love hanging around with your friends, girlfriends, or anyone. Family, you love your family a lot. But I can even see that there is also a phase in your past life that was not so beautiful. मतलब you guys used to stay very lonely. एक कमरे में बंद करके used to cry, or you even if not cry, then you used to stay all alone. मतलब एकदम दुनिया से अलग रह के just stay in a very sad life or have a very sad feeling, and that is something that I feel that you are coming out of it, and that is beautiful. And coming to your present, I see you guys love to travel a lot. Okay, you guys maybe or maybe not, but you guys can be a mountain person. You are flying so high right now. Just be happy about it. Just go on and chase what you want. Coming to your personality is very very beautiful. मतलब एकदम rebel type, go getter. First you are like you used to follow people like हाँ अगर वो भी कर रहे तो let's do it together. Now you are like नहीं यार मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है ना, I'm going to do it all alone by myself, and you guys are loving that personality of yours. I can even see you guys are restricting yourself from things that you want to do. So please don't do that, because you will do it any which ways. And coming to your future, you guys are going to travel very soon. Look, you guys are such adventurous spirit कि आपको नई नई जगह पे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. So do it, and you will just find happiness that you are looking out for in your life at that moment. So yeah, just go and gumo. Yay! So bye. That's it for group number 4. Hope I see you next time. Bye. So that was all for today. I hope आपको मज़ा आया होगा, because I had a fun time today. And अगर आपको personal reading करवाना है आपका खुद का for anything, career, love, anything, you can just hit me up on Instagram. I'll give you all the details there. And yep, that's it for today. So see you next time, because ऐसे videos और आने ही वाले. So keep supporting. Bye.